Hello and welcome to E Prime. My name is Daedran. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee is trending with his first track since being released from jail. The track, titled Hot Topic, was released over the weekend and is currently trending at number 8 on streaming platform YouTube. On the track, Tommy Lee belts out lyrics about his lifestyle and why he is currently the hot topic.
AC cool, I'm neck the pan freeze. The banks can't full up, niggle not the pan E. Just cut the coat, so I'm a valky. Me and I say what I'm chain upon me. Me are the hot.
Much to the delight of his fans, who commented under the track, welcoming the Spartan boss back to the music scene. Hot Topic's cover art also displays a slew of his previously released tracks that have trended with over 2 million views. Tommy Lee was released without charge on August 17 after being detained under the state of public emergency in St. James since July. Now onto the international scene, where the wait is over as Beyonce unveiled the stunning visuals for her track Brown Skin Girl. The track portrays cultural pride and female empowerment with its uplifting and encouraging lyrics. In the star-studded video, Beyonce enlists a few celebrities like Naomi Campbell, Lupita Nyong'o, Kelly Rowland, and Beyonce's daughter Blue Ivy Carter, who's also featured on the soundtrack. Brown Skin Girl is from Beyonce's 2019 album titled The Lion King: The Gift. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.